In this video, I'll show you how to turn GTA San Andreas into a GTA 5 style experience with cars, NPCs, and graphics mod. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the GTA 5 complete mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here and right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the GTA 5 mod, select all these files, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, right click on this enb.exe and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the created shortcut. You need to wait at least 3 minutes to launch the game. Now you can able to see GTA 5 cars, NPCs, vegetation, everything in GTA San Andreas. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.